I'm so excited to be here for our retreat today.
I would love to hear your intention for the day. How can I best support you?
Is to raise my vibration. May I be healthier as well.
And as we untwist, we invite fresh blood, fresh oxygen to cleanse our organs, filling out more space for love to flow. Your final Shavasana. That's how I help people, is I really feel them and then I know what needs to be, released. Setting the intention to just clear that chaos and those energies from their head so that they can just relax and be in peace. Would you like to smell it?
Smells great.
Yes, definitely. So we've got our goodies and we're ready to cook.
Ready to cook.
Woo!
I love it. It was amazing. I loved it. It was a great experience. I would totally come back to do it again.
And it's easier to be kinder to one another and the planet when we feel good and we can think clearly and our body's functioning. So that's really my intention, is to help people feel good. Each retreat is unique and beautiful and divine for that group. So if you would love to experience it, definitely reach out. I would absolutely love to bless you with a beautiful retreat day.